Mental math. Write in 12-hour clock time. 21.45 hours is written as 9.45 p.m. This type of maths here. Number 2, 15.45 hours is written as minus 12, 3.45. All maths are minus 12 in p.m. Uh, like that. Number 3, 6.00 hours is written as 6 a.m. Next, 9.05 hours is written as 9.05 am. Last two maths are minus 12. Do subtraction. Minus 12, 9 number math. 18.20 hours is written as minus 12. Answer is 6.20 pm. Number 10, 16.00 hours is written as 4:00 pm. These maths are very important for annual exam.